Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna talk about the Wirex card, about the advantages and why I think you should own one. So stay tuned.
Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss another update.
So, your revolutionary new Wirex card, which you can order for free, guys. So, it gives you the power to spend multiple crypto and fiat currencies with real-time conversion at point of sale and zero exchange fees. And you will earn up to 1.5% crypto back rewards on all your spending. So do you want to make money? Order the card, spend, and you will get up to 1.5% crypto back rewards. How cool is that? But we're just getting started. So it makes difficult things very easy. It converts to local currency at point of sale using the best possible interbank and over-the-counter rates. No exchange fees. So you can seamlessly spend any of 18 crypto and traditional currencies in real life. You can pay like a local. Are you stressed about spending abroad? Not anymore. The Wirex card automatically converts to the local currency when you pay, saving you up to 3% on overseas transactions. Not only at the best possible live interbank exchange rates, it does so with absolutely no exchange fees. You get it, guys? Zero exchange fees. So you can spend more than 150 plus currencies at live interbank rates at more than 45 million locations worldwide. Up to 1.5% in Bitcoin on all spending, online and offline. So your alerts can help you keep track of your payments, high limits, zero fees. Up to £400 monthly ATM withdrawals and no monthly maintenance charge. So guys, let's be honest. We're all in crypto. Well, probably because you're watching this video. So have you thought about what you're going to do with your cryptocurrencies eventually? I believe that eventually some of us will have cryptocurrencies that are worth so much money that you will arrive at a certain point in time where you say, hey, now I want to cash out. Or so what I want to do is you can just spend, you can just buy stuff. Imagine the Bitcoin price is high, or whatever cryptocurrency. Let's say you have a few Bitcoins, the Bitcoin price is high. Then you can just start buying stuff. So you can order a free Wirex card. So you can choose between multiple cards. So I have a free card. You can also, order another card, but then you will have to pay a card maintenance, but you have a lot more options. So the card delivery is free, card issuance free. Maintenance, this one is free, this one is paying. So what is the difference? The paying card, where you have to pay a monthly fee, has much more options, faster payments. I'll put the link in the video description. Look at this. This is what this card doesn't have. So exchange fees, the same. Transaction fees starting from August 17, free up to £400 per month, 2% thereafter. So here at the ATM, Well, it depends how much you would like to withdraw, but if you want to withdraw a lot, then this card, for example, is better for you. Also, the rewards with the other card are better refer a friend. You get $10, $5 when you refer buys $100 of crypto using a credit debit card, and another $5 when they use their Wirex Visa card in store for the first time. Limits per transactions per day, it's the same. And on your bank account, here you can send money in or from your bank account. So much more options with a debit card, but I think you should order one. Why? Because everywhere where Visa and MasterCard is accepted, you can pay with this card. You can order one with my link in the video description. Make sure to use my link, guys. I appreciate it. Then I can fund my YouTube channel a little bit more, buy a little bit more, buy a better microphone, buy this, buy that. It all costs a lot of money. So if you want proof, can I use Wirex account in my country? Yes, Wirex accounts and cards can be used in any country where Visa is accepted. But you'll have to activate it when you receive them within 90 days. So that's it. Do you already have a Wirex card, guys? Let me know in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you need more information, you can find it in the video description. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more interesting and money-making tips to my channel. I hope to welcome you all soon on the crypto mining channel. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.